Stocks rally today as European officials discuss plans to tame the region's debt crisis. For more details on today's stock market rally, let's go to Deborah Kostroun at the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Well, thanks a lot, Pim. And yeah, markets really kind of taking off in the last couple of hours of the trading session as European officials, a lot of people think that they are going to step in to keep their debt crisis in check. And if you look at what we're seeing here, the Dow is up 2.5%, the Nasdaq up only 1 1/3%, and it was really the Nasdaq moving higher in the last hour of trading. And in fact, the Nasdaq had a much harder time to move higher. This was after JP Morgan said that Apple is cutting fourth quarter orders to some vendors for the iPad tablet by 25%. However, Apple still closing out the day lower, but the Nasdaq managed to move higher, and the market moving higher, even though we got this report on new home sales today that new home sales declined here in this country to a 6-month low, and prices of new homes actually are at their lowest level in 2 years, Pim.
Now, Deborah, lots of news coming out from retailers today. Give us some details.
Well, Macy's saying that they're going to hire 78,000 seasonal workers for the holidays, and that's actually a 4% increase over last year. Also, Lululemon, that stock, however, you saw Macy's moving higher, but Lululemon taking a hit there after saying it won't be able to maintain a 28% operating margin. Also, American Eagle CEO buying $1 million worth of shares, so obviously he's pretty confident in the company. And another area of the market that actually performed well, it was the financials. They actually led the S&P higher, and a lot of that had to do with news that the ECB may restart covered bond purchases next week, and they also may cut interest rates next month. That's it for here, Pim. Back to you.
Thank you very much. Deborah Kostroun reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.